Hey, Josie and Friends currently has a ton of products that are 35% off while supplies last, and I was going to do a little video and go through some of them. So we have our amber spray and pump bottles. Right now they're only $6.50. Our pretty blue glass and clear, there are sprayers. These are, oh, let me switch hands. These are little sprayers and pumps. Are currently $8.45. We have our 4-pack of carbon fiber cloths. They are made of microfiber and bamboo. Those are super versatile. They're like your everyday cloth. You can scrub with them. You can polish and shine when they're dry. So those are some great cloths to have. Right now are $22.75 for the 4-pack. Our 100% bamboo cloth 4-pack is $16.24. Again, 100% bamboo, 100% biodegradable. Those are really nice cloths, everyday cloths. Replace, paper towels with them. Our Deluxe Dishwash starter set is on sale for $12.99. You get a bamboo cloth in the kit along with your pump that you would keep if you were to purchase refills. So that's a good deal right now, $12.99. We have a 32 ounce of dishwash at $16.25, on sale at $16.25. The 16 ounce of dishwash is $10.39. We have the 3 different scents of our multi-purpose. They're all $16.25 for the 16 ounce of concentrate. You guys, that's going to make 10 refills in our amber spray bottles. So when you purchase a 16 ounce concentrate, you're actually going to refill your bottle 10 times. So that is quite the deal. Also means that you're not coming back every month for an order. That should last you several months. We have our daily shower, which I love. I spray down our shower. We have hard water here, and that really helps keep all of that under control, along with, soap scum. I've turned to all bar soap and bar shampoo, so that helps. And then the bathroom cleaner, good for every other surface of your bathroom. Tough on all the dirt and grime that builds up in your sink from toothpaste and makeup. And again, 16 ounces. The daily shower is $15.59. You're going to refill 10 times with that. The bathroom cleaner is $16.24. Again, refilling your spray bottle 10 times. And if you're ready to ditch the plastic in your shower, all of our shampoo bars are on super sale, $5.84 right now for those. So we have some good prices going on. If you've wanted to try, you weren't sure, now is the time to snag your favorite Josie and Friend products. Good deal while supplies last. We are trying to make room for some new scents, some new concentrates, and we want you guys all to get your hands on this. Check it out, www.josieandfriendsllc.com. Thanks.